Wadhi nyime ni Jatend piny William Ruto ogolo siem mager ne migepe mag piny owacho mapok oketo chudo maggi e chenro mar eCitizen. Koloso e nyasi mar yango higa achiel nyaka ne chenrono chakre, Ruto nopuoyo eCitizen kowacho ni choko mar piny owacho osemedore mokalo.
Today's event provides us with an excellent opportunity to assess the progress made so far. We are here to celebrate the milestones we have achieved, identify improvement areas, and forge new paths for enhancing the eCitizen experience. This is also a moment to reflect on how public service delivery can continue to evolve to meet the expectations of a rapidly digitizing world.
We aspired to build a system that prioritizes integrity over corruption, efficiency over waste, and inclusivity over exclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly stand before you today to declare, and I am confident you can all attest, that eCitizen has delivered on this promise. Now, from the comfort of your home and with just a mobile phone, you can renew your driving license, register a business name or a business entity, or apply for a marriage certificate. Tasks that once took weeks of travel, paperwork, and endless follow-ups, often at great expense. These are now completed in minutes, sometimes in just a day.